Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe any YouTube video to text for free. This is a very useful skill if you want to create subtitles, captions, or transcripts for your videos or other purposes. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to youtube.com and choose the video you want to transcribe. For example, I'm going to search for a video on what is artificial intelligence. I'll pick this one that is 10 minutes long. This is perfect for our demonstration. Step 2. Copy the link of the video from the address bar or by clicking the share button below the video. Step 3. Open this website www.anthiogo.com. The link is also in the description of this video. This is a free online tool that can extract the text from any YouTube video. Step 4. Paste the YouTube link in this box where it says Enter YouTube URL. Step 5. Click the transcript button and wait for a few seconds. Step 6. Done. The script of the video has been extracted and displayed below. You can copy and paste it into a text editor or save it as a file. That's it. You have successfully transcribed a YouTube video to text for free. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.